Hello and welcome back to Warlock lesson 8, I believe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Johnny. If John takes 20 seconds to stop his car 60 miles per hour, how many seconds does it take John's car to stop at 120 miles per hour? So this is a simple set of proportions. We have 20 over 60 miles per hour. They're asking for 120. Now what we can do is find the x. How do you get from 60 to 120? We multiply by 2. What we do for one side, we always do the other. So 20 times 2 is 40. Number 1 should be A. Recipe for a cake calls for 2 eggs per 3 cups of flour and 7 grams of sugar per 2 eggs. What is partial ratio of flour to sugar? So what they're asking for, flour to sugar. Here we have 9 to 21 because they're asking for flour to sugar. You know it's 2 eggs per 3 cups of flour, so we have 2 eggs per 3 cups, 7 grams of sugar per 2 eggs. So essentially this is basically 3 to 7 because they're asking for grams of sugar. Times 3 on both sides. What we do to one side we always do to the other, so here we have 9 to 21. B. Computer can do 10 computations every 7 seconds. What's a possible ratio of a second to computations? The answer here should be C. No reason why. What we can do here, they're asking for seconds to computation, so this should be switched around for now. 7 to 10. What we can do here is times, multiply 7 on both sides. If you multiply 7 on both sides, we get 49 to 70. C. Now number 4. To make it to a traffic stop, Joe speeds up from 40 miles an hour to 100 miles per hour in 3 seconds. How long does it take per mile of speed occurred? $40 miles is 100 miles per hour. 40 to 100 in 3 seconds. Basically asking how quickly did he get it. Answer should be B. We can just use common sense. 3. Let's if we subtract 140, we have 60. 60 divided by 3, we have 20. For each second, he increased by 20. A plane travels 13 miles per minute traveling instead. That's really fast. What is a possible ratio of miles minutes that the train traveled? There should be more info. Well, I'm assuming that they're proportional. We know it's not D, B. Okay, now the reason why I'm crossing these out, we're talking proportions. Proportions always have some kind of relationship. If you look here, times 2 on both sides, we have 3 times 3 of 13 is 39. Number 5 is C. If you just know the definition, you should just be able to understand each question carefully, even without understanding the full concept. chemical formula calls for 2 parts nitrogen, 3 parts hydrogen, 4 parts oxygen. If the sample has 6 parts nitrogen, how many hydrogen are there? They're talking about hydrogen, 3-part hydrogen. So 2 nitrogen, 3 hydrogen, 4 oxygen. Because there's 6 nitrogen, the ratio is times 3 on both sides, so it's 9. 6 is A. Juice mix uses 3 cups of water for every 2 cups concentrate. What is possible equivalent ratio of water to concentrate? Ratio is 2 to 3. Well, 3 cups of water for, other way around, 3, 2. So it should be A. Now for number 8. .3D printer makes 12 parts for every 18 part. Possible ratio of minutes to parts. So it's 18 first, because it's asking for minutes to parts. Well, the answer's right here, C. It's already given to us. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and thank you for watching.